Yeah, that's an interesting idea. I think probably the best way to do it is essentially what I talked about before, where you could say like transaction submitter is null. And you could like conditionally set that or not based on a previous check you've done, whether the user has APT or not. That could be one way to do it. I guess you could use like different like wallet providers, like in different scopes of your app or whatever. Like you could configure a different provider based on whether the user has balance or not. We also do have support for like, you can toggle, like at a client level, you can also like toggle the transaction submitter, like the custom gas station transaction submitter on and off. That could also work. So there's a few different ways. I guess like I can send you some code pointers later about how you might do that.
Hi. Yes, it will be great if you send a snippet of code for this solution for this question.
Yeah, for sure. I'm happy to.
Thank you. I think it's a great tool, and it helps a lot our customers, our users to onboard on Aptos. Gas station, great.
Sweet. Sergey. Sergey Silkov. Yeah, I see you in Telegram. I'll send you some code pointers. And I guess this is also a good thing to put in our docs, actually. So maybe I'll put them in the docs. Yeah.
Wait for it. I was gonna say, would you just put it in the shared Slack channel? I'll take care of it if you want.
Okay, cool. Okay, then yeah, I'll write up some of the code snippets, and then TP can help me out with the docs.
Yeah, we'll async, and then maybe if I have follow-up questions, that way we'll just get them merged in. And this would be good to check in the RAG chat bot as well, because Sergey's question was like an exact point of like, sometimes you don't want to pay for the gas, and then if you're trying to figure that out, it's a whole thing unless you're doing the plug-in way. You just make that stuff null. So that's another like one-liner. I'm trying to figure out like what are the one-liners with pair :true, and then what is it? Transactions submitted transaction null.
Yeah, exactly. Transaction submitter null. Yeah, exactly.
No, we gotta get those little one-liners.
Yeah. I think some of this is actually mentioned in the README for the package as well, but we should put them in the docs.